Set up a webcam to work on a computer. A webcam attached to a computer has a multitude of uses. You can use it to have video chat during work. You can use it to capture still images that you need to have soft copies of. In some cases, webcams even function as nanny cameras that broadcast to the parents the current status of their homes. Regardless of what use your webcam will be, you need to know how to set it up yourself. It is very simple and straightforward since most commercially available webcams nowadays are the plug-and-play types, meaning, the drivers will self-install upon plug-in. Read the steps outlined below to make sure you do not skip anything when you are doing your own installation of your webcam. Finding a spot for your webcam. The first thing you need to do is to find a good, solid spot for your webcam. Remember that you will be operating the webcam hands-free for most of the time. The position of your webcam would also hugely depend on the type of webcam that you got. There are types that you just clip onto computer stands or to the top of your laptop, while there are other webcams that have their own stands and can just be placed side by side with your computer. Once you found a good spot for your camera, you are ready to do the installation. Checking the lighting and distance from the main user. Just before you start installing the drivers for your webcam, make sure that the lighting in your spot is good enough so that the viewer can easily see the subject. This is the same for the distance of the webcam from the user, since if you are too far away then it would be difficult to discern what you are saying. Plugging your webcam. You can now plug your webcam to your machine. Most of the time the webcams nowadays connect via the USB ports of the computer. Once you plug it into your computer, it will detect the new hardware plugged into it and auto-install the driver. If in case this is not happening, check the package of the webcam and search for a small CD. Insert the CD into your machine and let it run. It would normally auto-install the program, or you can manually select the installer file, usually labeled with Setup or Install. A restart is most often needed to make the settings take effect. You can now run a check with your webcam. Record a few seconds and check the quality. If you will be using the webcam primarily to broadcast images, then the medium to low setting might be best so that you will not consume too much bandwidth. If you are using it to capture images, then you can increase the capture quality. Make sure your webcam is turned off when you are not using it so that you are not accidentally broadcasting images in your messenger or into the internet.